camping, traveling, hunting? If you're an active person with a lot of gear to haul, this is the duffel bag for you. Our Deluxe Duffel Bag with zipper adds impressive durability to significant capacity. It's constructed of heavy 22-ounce cotton canvas, and-ply reinforced at all stress points. This series features a full-length zipper for easy packing and unpacking. When filled with gear, you'll appreciate the dual web handles and one handle in center that make handling this fully loaded bag a snap. This bag also features a D-ring on each end for attaching a shoulder strap for those extra heavy loads. The strap is sold separately. This series comes in 3 sizes, ranging from 36 inches to 50 inches in length, and is available in black and traditional olive drab.